What is the name of the green consonants you see at the bottom of Jungkook's name? These are called 받침, and Jungkook's name has both voiced and voiceless consonants, and this matters a lot when I'm answering this question. The voiced consonants are using the vocal cords to produce a sound, so it's a lot stronger than the voiceless consonants. And at the final position, the voiced consonants, they don't go through any pronunciation changes. The circle you see in Jungkook's name, this is called iung. At the initial position, this is considered silent and it's a placeholder for the pure vowel sound. At the bottom position, this is a voiced consonant with the sound. That's why you hear in Jungkook's name, Jung, right? And as you can see, there's a mnemonic like this with the triple association looking like, sounding like. One word example, we have 공, and then you have a sentence example with color-coded words, 공 주세요. That means like, please give me the ball. And in the front, you can recall all that information with the visual hint of how King Sejong created these consonants in the first place. And you can scan the QR code on the front of the card to watch the video lesson where I go through every single thing on this card with pronunciation guides and reading out sentences first very slowly and also at a natural pace.